Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio, and I'm working on my ATCs. This is for days 11 through 14, I believe. Hopefully I'm keeping them all in order. Anyway, this particular ATC was inspired by a girl I follow, and she did paper doodles where she cut out pieces of leftover painty paper and just created and designed with that, and just going with the flow, not planning it in advance, just seeing what happens. So I thought I would give it a try. So that one was kind of fun to do. I accidentally didn't get recorded or couldn't find the footage of me actually gluing the words on, but you'll see it in the picture. See? There we go. Now this next one, I did a big collage piece and had this left over, and so I thought I would cut this into a couple of ATC sized pieces and see what we can come up with for that one. So I saw that little brown spot in the corner, and it kind of reminded me of, what do you call it, Lion Rock from The Lion King. And yeah, I was not about to draw a lion holding up his cub. But I have these stickers that I've had for a long time, these little stick figure stickers, and thought that'd be kind of cute on there. So yeah, I think it works. So yeah, just again, another really simple little card. Just some fun words on there, and boom, we're done. Alright, so the next one, I was, kind of seeing those as trees or obstacles, and I wanted to put a face, and I'm better at half a face than a whole face, except for her poor nose. Okay, well, her face to begin with, and then, yeah. Don't know about that nose. there's one more done. I might have to go back and give her plastic surgery. Fix the nose. Oh, it's crazy. Anyway. So the next one, back to my regular card, and just taking some scrap. This is a bit of Tin Holtz tissue that we're just going to collage on. And I'm just going to use a glue stick. Just making it quick and easy. Trying to make sure I get it all around the edges because I tend to not get it to stick around the edges. But I did pretty good there, and it stays down. Just rubbing it really well, making sure I got it all stuck down. And then really, I don't really have a plan. So, figured I'd just plop a little watercolor on there. Sorry, it's kind of cut off a little bit. It's just a little blue-green that's already mixed on my Schmincke watercolor palette. Yeah, I don't clean them off every time. I reuse what's sitting there mixed. There we go. And I just grabbed a few bits and pieces out of my cutout magazine, small stuff. And yeah, I thought that was kind of cute, so we're going to put that on there. And to make that look more three-dimensional, I figured I'd poke a couple of brads through it. And eventually I'll get backers on these. I have a few printed out. I need to get some more done and then fill them out and stick them on. There. And just shading with the pencil, trying to get it to look more three-dimensional. Like it's stuck on, you know. Alright, and I am just fairly randomly picking the words. You know, I have a little baggie full of words and I just pick the first one that I like, that I see. And there we go. So that is it for today. I hope you liked those ATCs. If you want to see them the day I create them, I am posting them on Instagram and in the Pick a Stick Facebook group. So if you're interested, come on over there and check it out. And thanks for watching.